In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a co-host in StreamYard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a trusted collaborator into your StreamYard team so they can help you manage live shows and recordings with confidence. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused so you can follow along in just a few minutes. First, log into StreamYard using your account credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account that owns or manages the workspace where you want to co-host. If your team uses multiple workspaces, verify you're in the right one before moving on, since roles apply to the specific team you're viewing. Once you're in, head straight to your dashboard. This is your home base for broadcasts, destinations, and team management. From here, you'll find the place where roles are assigned and invitations are sent. Next, click the Members tab. This is where you can see everyone who currently has access to your team, along with their roles. It's also where you'll initiate the process of bringing in a new co-host. Take a moment to scan the list if you want to confirm who's already on your team. Now click Invite Member. This opens a simple form that lets you invite someone to join your team. You'll enter their details, choose what they're allowed to do, and send the invite right from this panel. Enter the email address of the person you want to add. Type it carefully, and use the address they actively check, since the invitation arrives by email. If your organization uses a standard company email, stick to that for consistency and easier management later. Choose the role Co-host. This role is designed for someone who will assist with your broadcasts without having full administrative control. Co-hosts can help run shows, manage on-screen elements, and support your production flow, while owners and admins retain higher-level permissions. Selecting the correct role is important for both security and clarity. When you're ready, click Send Invite. StreamYard will deliver an email to the address you entered. The person just needs to open that message and follow the link to accept. After they accept, they'll appear in your members list as a co-host and can start collaborating with you in your workspace. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your dashboard, go to Members, invite them by email, choose co-host, and send the invite. With that done, your production just got a lot easier and more flexible. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.